Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried rice from scratch. First, ensure you have day-old cold rice. This is crucial for a non-soggy result. Next, prepare all your ingredients by chopping them into small, manageable pieces. This mise-en-place approach makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Having everything ready before you start stir-frying is key to success. Let's get cooking. Now let's get that wok hot. Use a large wok or a spacious skillet over high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil, then cook your chosen protein such as chicken or shrimp until it's fully cooked through. Remove it from the pan. Next, stir-fry your harder vegetables like carrots and onions for about 2 minutes before adding softer ones like peas and corn for another minute. Keep everything moving. It's time for the star of the show, the rice. Add your cold, day-old rice to the hot pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and any other desired seasonings like a pinch of white pepper. Stir-fry vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring every grain of rice is coated and heated through. This creates that perfect fried rice flavor. Almost there. Return your cooked protein and any scrambled eggs you prepared earlier to the pan, tossing everything together for about 1 minute. Garnish your delicious fried rice with freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.